Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,500. This pickup is a solid and reliable heavy-duty truck with 206,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a 7.4L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering plenty of power for hauling or everyday driving.
The truck sports a classic green exterior with a beige interior, maintaining a straightforward and functional look. It comes with a clean title, and everything runs just as it should. The air conditioning blows cold and the heater works great, making it comfortable in all seasons. Mechanically, the truck drives very well with no warning lights on the dashboard, indicating that it's in solid operating condition.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has traveled 189,000 miles. Under the hood, it features a strong-running 350 V8 engine mated to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, offering both power and ease of use for daily driving or light hauling. The truck is finished in a deep blue exterior that pairs nicely with its matching blue interior, which remains in remarkably clean and well-maintained condition for its age. All components on this truck are in proper working order, including the factory-installed air conditioning system, which still blows cold and increasingly rare find on a vehicle of this vintage. The interior stands out for its neatness and comfort, showing that it has been cared for throughout the years. The truck also comes equipped with a solid set of tires that have plenty of tread left, making it ready to hit the road without the need for immediate upgrades or repairs.
Number 3.
1977 Chevrolet Classic, price $10,000. This truck is a solid example of a short bed pickup, finished in eye-catching yellow with a black interior. It has been driven for 168,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Powered by a reliable 8-cylinder gasoline engine, the truck starts instantly and runs smoothly without overheating, thanks in part to its upgraded electric fuel pump and new suspension system. Mechanically, the vehicle is in good condition and ready to hit the road.
While it may show some cosmetic imperfections, it remains a dependable and functional classic.
With its bold look, updated components, and strong performance, this Chevy stands as a great candidate for both restoration or everyday classic cruising.
Number 4. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,800, showing just 90,000 miles on the odometer.
Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 Vortec engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance and a comfortable ride. Finished in its factory original two-tone white and burgundy color scheme, the truck remains completely unmodified with no accidents, no repaint, and retains its original paint throughout. The SLE package adds a touch of refinement, including factory bucket seats and a center console and a clean burgundy interior. Additional features include power windows, power locks, air conditioning, a functioning heater, and a factory alarm system. The Sierra also comes equipped with a tow package and a factory paint-matched camper shell, offering both utility and style. The tires are in like-new condition, and the vehicle includes a clean title with current registration valid through October 2025.
Number 5.
2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,995, with only 94,000 miles, exceptionally low for its age. Finished in beige inside and out, it's powered by a 5.2L Magnum V8 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and smooth shifting. With its 4x4 drivetrain, it's ready for work, road trips, or off-road use. Although it has a branded title, the truck has been professionally repaired and fully inspected. The interior features clean cloth bench seats, a factory AM/FM stereo with cassette, manual windows and locks, cold AC, and a strong heater, making it comfortable and practical. On the outside, it sports a chrome front bumper and grille, 16 steel wheels with all-terrain tires, a bedliner, and a tow hitch receiver ideal for hauling or light towing.
Overall, this Ram 1500 is a clean, dependable truck with classic looks and ready-to-work capability. Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. This truck is a white pickup with a tan interior, featuring an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. With approximately 220,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives well, shifting smoothly through all gears as intended. The truck has been lifted by a previous owner, and there are no issues with the shocks or suspension. The engine is strong and healthy, and although it's quite loud due to needing an exhaust system, it does have a catalytic converter in place. The vehicle's battery tends to drain when not in use, so it's recommended to disconnect the terminal while parked.
The exact cause of the drain is unknown.
The truck currently has expired tags, and the cost to bring them up to date is also unclear. It's not confirmed whether the vehicle is smog-ready, but it drives reliably in its current condition.
Number 7.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. This GMC is a solid and reliable truck with 187,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck starts right up with no leaks or major mechanical issues. Recently, it has received several important upgrades, including new head gaskets, brand new brakes on both the front and rear, and a fresh set of Cooper Cobra tires.
While it does need new shocks and a replacement door handle, overall it's a strong running vehicle that's ready for the road.
The vehicle runs on gasoline, holds a clean title, and is expected to pass smog without any problems.
Number 8.
1985 Isuzu Pickup, price $6,000. This Isuzu is a well-maintained classic truck with approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer. It's in good condition overall and stands out with its eye-catching red exterior and lowered stance, giving it a sporty, custom look. The engine runs strong with no mechanical issues or leaks, and there are no check engine lights present, indicating it's in solid working order. This Isuzu comes with a standard transmission, adding to the engaging driving experience. Additionally, it features a cold AC system, which works great, making it a comfortable ride even in warmer climates. It's a reliable, unique truck that's both functional and fun to drive.
Number 9.
1987 Chevrolet R10, price $4,800, with a clean Arizona title and around 100,000 miles.
It's powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 and a 700R4 automatic transmission.
The truck runs and drives, but still needs work before it's daily driver ready, such as adjusting the tight throttle cable and addressing a leaking power steering pump. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt TBI system, new fuel injectors, fuel pump, fuel filter, and starter. A NOS 4-row radiator has also been installed. The passenger side catalytic converter may be going out, and while the AC compressor is present, there's no belt, likely because it's seized. The smog pump is still hooked up, the dash gauges and speedometer have been removed, but it retains an oil pressure and temp gauge. The body is black with matching black interior, rust-free, and overall the paint is decent, though the hood and roof are oxidized. The tailgate is included but missing hardware. Despite its current condition, this R10 has great potential as a classic pickup project with strong mechanical upgrades and a clean, rust-free body.
Number 10.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300. This truck is a one-owner, rust-free 4x4 long bed pickup that has only 97,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a matching tan exterior and interior, the truck is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It starts right up without smoke and runs smoothly. The air conditioning is fully functional, and the transmission has just been replaced, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Additionally, it comes with a 4-inch lift kit and includes extra parts. The truck has a clean title and is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a solid classic truck that's ready to drive or customize further.